Hi, my name is Matthew and welcome to FabLab Fundamentals. Today I'll be showing you how to use the multicolor option with the original Prusa XL. So let's get started. We're going to take out our USB drive from the USB outlet and then we're going to identify what color spools correspond to which head. So we can see that the white spool corresponds to tool head number 4. We're going to make a mental note of that. And we're going to walk over to the other side of the printer and we're going to see that the pink spool corresponds to tool head number 1 and that the gold spool corresponds to tool head number 2. Now that we know which color corresponds to which outlet, we can hop over to the computer and work on our STL file. So now that we're at our computer, we're just going to plug in our USB drive and we're going to open the Prusa slicer. And we're just going to press cancel. And then in the top right, we're going to select our original Prusa XL. The 5T stands for 5 tool heads and 0.4 nozzle. From here, we're going to change our filament setting. So tool head 1 was pink, so we're just going to select pink and then press OK. We're going to select tool head number 2. And then if you click on this portion, you get which material it is. So we're just going to have generic PLA, and then we're just going to select the color over here and then select gold and press OK. And then we're going to change tool head number 3. Oops, sorry, cancel. We're going to change tool head number 4 and then select white and press OK. And then from here, we're going to import our part in. So we can import it from a flash drive or a Google Drive, and then we can import an STL or step file. And we're just going to click on this top left button, which says add. And we're going to look up our file. Select our file and press open. And then we're going to zoom in on our piece by scrolling in. And then to change the color, we're going to select this palette in the left section, multi-material painting. And then from here, we can see that our first color, which is extruder 1, is pink, and our second color, extruder 2, which is gold. And we can read over here, it says left mouse button for the pink, and then the right mouse button for the gold. So we're just going to hop over to our piece and zoom in. And then we're also going to select Smart Fill, so it automatically fills up what we selected based off the layer height. So from here, we're going to right click all of the letters. And then if we want to add additional colors, we're just going to change the second color and we're going to change it to extruder head 4, white. And then we're just going to right click the background or the outline. From here, we're just going to zoom out, deselect our tool, and we're going to press slice now. Now we can see from here all the different layers and what color layers is going to be on our print. So now we're just going to press export G code. And then we're going to select our Prusa flash drive. And we're just going to press save. And then we're just going to press OK. And we're going to press eject. Now we can pull out our flash drive and head over to our Prusa XL printer. So now that we are at our Prusa XL printer, we're just going to plug in our flash drive to the USB outlet. And then automatically our piece should pop up, so we can just press continue. And then from here, we're just going to double check that the correct spool is corresponding to the correct color. So we can see, all right, spool 1 is pink, spool 2 is gold, and then spool 4 is white. And then we also selected 1, 2, and 4, so it should be correct. However, if we have to change it, we can just rotate the knob to whichever corresponding spool is not correct. For example, we can select spool 4, and then we can change it. For example, if it was actually tool head 3, then we can select tool head 3, but since it's tool head 4, we're just going to keep it as tool head 4. And we're just going to press back, and then we're just going to press back again. And then from here, we can just select print. And then before you go, please make sure to stay for the first layer, and the printer should automatically start printing. In addition, please make sure to follow all FabLab rules and protocols, or else we have the right to remove your access from using FabLab equipment, such as our Prusa XL.